Hello children, in this video you are going to learn about the rule number 3, how to change the direct speech into indirect speech with the help of the time expression. What are the things to be changed in the time expression words? What are the time expression words? That is this, that, today, tomorrow, now, here, then ago. These are some time expression words only, right? So how this time expression words is going to be changed in the indirect speech, that is what we are going to learn in this video. Okay. So here I have written the 5 expression words with the word which should be changed into, which should be replaced into this word in the indirect speech. Okay. So there are 10 words you are going to learn. Okay. 10 time expression words you are going to learn. But in this video I am going to help you to learn only the first 5. Okay. So let's start learning about it. That is in the direct speech. In the direct speech, inside the reported speech, that is inside the quotation mark, in that sentence, if you find any of these words, if you find any of these time expression words, means that should be changed according to that replacement in the indirect speech. Whatever words has been present in the reported speech in the direct speech, if you are going to change that sentences into the indirect speech, means you need to replace these words in the indirect speech. Are you clear, children? Why? Because whenever we are changing the sentences in from direct to indirect, means we need to change the verbs also. We have already learned about the tenses. That is, if the reported speech it is in the present, means that should be changed into past. Say if this kind of time expression are placed in the direct speech, means that should be replaced with these time expression words in the indirect speech. Okay. So let's learn about what are the time expression words are to be changed in the indirect speech. If you find the word this in a reported speech in the inside the quotation mark, if you find the word this, means that word alone, only the word this alone should be changed into that in the indirect speech. When you are writing in the indirect speech, if you find the word this, means you should change it into that only in the indirect speech. Same for these also should be changed into those. These should be changed into those. Now should be changed into then. Ago should be changed into before. Here should be changed into there only. Are you clear? I repeat again. Direct speech time expression words, அதாவது this, these, now, ago, here. இந்த 5 words நீங்க வந்து direct speechல நீங்க find out பண்ணீங்க, இந்த quotation markல நீங்க find out பண்ணீங்க இந்த word இருக்கு அப்படினா அந்த sentence நீங்க indirectல நீங்க எழுத போறீங்க. நீங்க indirect speechல நீங்க convert பண்றீங்கனா அந்த comma quotationக்கு பதிலா நம்ம that போடுற மாதிரி tenses change பண்ற மாதிரி இந்த வேர்டுமே நம்ம change பண்ணி எழுதுவோம். அதாவது this அங்க இருந்துச்சுனா நம்ம that ன்னு எழுதுவோம். these இருந்துச்சுனா நம்ம those ன்னு மாத்தி எழுதுவோம். now ன்னு இருந்துச்சுனா இன்டைரக்ட்லா நம்ம எழுதும்போது now-வை எடுத்துட்டு நம்ம then ன்னு போடுவோம். அதே மாதிரி ago இருந்துச்சுனா நம்ம before எழுதுவோம். here இருந்துச்சுனா நம்ம there ன்னு எழுதுவோம். Are you clear, children? So these are the things you need to memorize. You need to by heart in your mind. That is, this should be changed into that. These should be changed into those. So that the another exercise of whenever you are changing the direct into indirect will be very easy for you if you know what are the words should be replaced. Okay. So let's learn with the example. That is, first one I have written. See, Sam said we will leave this village. Sam said we will leave this village. Can you find the time expression word here? Yes. What is that? That is this only. So I can find the word this here. So this should be changed into what? This should be changed into that only. Clear? This should be changed into that only. So not only this one we are going to change, and also we are going to use, we are going to change the words whatever words are needed to be changed. Example, Sam said we will leave this village, means how do we need to write this direct speech into indirect? The speaker we need to write the said as it is, but in place of comma and quotation we need to use what? Very good, we need to use that only. And in place of writing we, what do we need to do? We is the first person plural pronoun. When we find the first person plural pronoun in the reported speech means we need to change it into the third person, and also if it is a plural means we need to use third person plural pronoun only. And also the tenses also should be changed, like will is the modal verb only, right? So modal verb means we need to write the past of that modal verb. What is the past form of will? We have already learned about the will, shall family, will family, do family verb, right? So what is the past form of will? Very good, that is would only. Would is the past form of will only. So that will also should be changed. So up to this video we have learned the two rules. First rule is the changes in the pronoun. Second rule is changes in the tenses. Now we are going to learn about the changes in the time expression. What are the things should be changed in the time expression? Now we are going to change the time expression words also. We are going to learn how the time expression words also change. So let me write out the answer for you. That is Sam is the speaker name. That will come as it is. Sad will come as it is. In place of this comma and quotation, I need to write that. And we should be changed into what? Yes, we should be changed into they. And will be changed into would. Leave will come as it is. And now you need to tell me how this time expression word is going to replace into what? This is going to be replaced into that in the indirect speech. So this should be written in as that. This edutittu na enna eludano this place la that eludano. Then the village will come as it is. Village irukradha appadi eludano. Are you clear, children? At the end only we will be putting the full stop. Clear? So let's go for the next example also. So only thing is you are going to already you know how to change into indirect speech. We need to remove this inverted comma and pronoun also we need to change. We learned already. And tenses உங்கள வந்து மாறும். Present condition past ல எழுதுவோம் நம்ம learn பண்ணிட்டோம். இப்போ நீங்க என்ன learn பண்ணீங்கன்னா this words இந்த words நீங்க change பண்ணத learn பண்ணிட்டீங்க. So look at this example. Mary said I am coming now. It is the direct speech. Mary said I am coming now. Mary சொன்னா நான் இப்ப வந்துட்டு இருக்கேன் அப்படினு சொன்னா. Okay? So now let's change it into indirect. So Mary is the speaker. So Mary ங்கிறது நம்ம அப்படியே எழுதுவோம். Said அப்படியே எழுதுவோம் as it is. Then comma and quotation பதிலா what will we do? We need to write that is that I is the first person pronoun. So according to the subject is the singular only. So she தான் எழுதுவோம். ஏன்னா first person pronoun எடுத்துட்டு நம்ம third person போடுவோம். Here the subject is a girl. So which pronoun is suitable for Mary? That is she only. So she and am coming. Am is the present verb. So present verb இருந்துச்சுன்னா அது pastல எழுதுவோம். So she was coming. So I can find the word now. So now is the time expression word. So அப்ப now இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம என்னவா change பண்ணுவோம்? Now இருந்துச்சுன்னா we need to write it into then. அப்ப answer வந்து then. That's all, full stop. See, Mary said that she was coming then. Mary சொன்னா அவ வந்துட்டு இருக்கான்னு அவ அப்ப சொன்னா அப்படி நம்ம சொல்றது. ஓகே, ஸோ நவ் வந்து பாஸ்ட் டென்ஸ் மாதிரி நம்ம சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிடுவோம். நவ்ங்கிறது அப்புறம் அப்படி ஆயிடும். ஓகேங்களா? ஸோ நவ் வில் பி தென், அகோ வில் பி பிஃபோர், ஹியர் வில் பி தேர், this will be that, and these will be those only. So you need to bahad these words, children. So if you find any words in the direct speech and you are going to change it into indirect na, இது எல்லாமே நீங்க செக் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? டைம் எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் வேர்ட்ஸ் இருந்தா அதுக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி நீங்க சேஞ்ச் பண்ணுவீங்க. பிரசன்ட்ல இருந்தா பாஸ்ட்ல எழுதுவீங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பர்சன்ல இருந்துச்சுன்னா தேர்ட் பர்சனா நீங்க சேஞ்ச் பண்ணுவீங்க. இன்வெர்டட் கமா எழுதுறது நீங்க தட் எழுதுவீங்க. So I hope you are clear with this topic, children. I'll meet you in the next video with the another 5 time expression words. Thank you.